I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to disable biometric login on your SoFi app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open a SoFi app. Launch the SoFi app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found in the profile section, often represented by a gear icon. Step 3. Locate security settings. In the settings menu, look for the security settings option. This is where you can manage your login preferences, including biometric options. Step 4. Disable biometric login. Before changing your settings, use the s-rock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Save changes. After disabling the biometric option, make sure to save your changes. You might see a prompt confirming that your settings have been updated. Sometimes, users forget to save their changes, so double check that you see the confirmation message before exiting. I hope this helps you manage your SoFi app settings more comfortably.